Hello, my tribe, and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. I am Mrs. G. If you like beauty, fashion, fitness for the everyday person, then please subscribe and join the tribe. So in today's video, I have a Fashionphile unboxing. I purchased another Preloved handbags. So in this video, I will give my reasons why I still shop Preloved handbags, as well as my thoughts, my reviews, my feedbacks on the process. So if that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned. So welcome back to my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. So in today's video, we have an unboxing of my Fashionphile purchase. Now, if you don't know what Fashionphile is an online store that you can actually purchase pre-loved luxury items from. This is my 5th time purchasing a bag from Fashionphile. So far, I am batting 50%. The 4 bags that I purchased previously, I've kept 2 and I returned 2. Fashionphile has a 30-day policy, and this is not sponsored. So they have a 30-day policy where you can return an item if you are not happy with the purchase. And so they sell pre-loved accessory items, meaning shoes, bags, handbags, brooches, and so forth. Now, there are 3 reasons why I still shop the pre-loved market. One is that I still feel like you can find somewhat a deal in the pre-loved market. I know that with many luxury brands, they have increased their prices based on what they're seeing people are willing to spend on the pre-loved market. But I still feel like with some items, you can still find a discount or deals from the pre-loved market. My second reason is that you can find bags that are no longer in production or current bags that have been sold out. You can find it on the pre-loved market. The only downside of that is that, of course, people are going to upsell these bags. So if it's a current bag that has been sold out, you can definitely find it on the pre-loved market, but you may be paying significantly more than if you were to have purchased it at the traditional store. I don't understand why, if these luxury brands are seeing that there is a need and a demand for these bags, why not just produce more bags instead of, seeing that, well, it's selling on the pre-loved market, let's just increase our prices. But I guess, money is their number one goal. So in that respect, they're going to definitely just keep increasing the prices. Third reason why I continue to purchase on the Preloved website is because I prefer purchasing bags online. I prefer no customer service whatsoever. Meaning, so you're probably like, why no customer service? I have heard horror stories about customer service in the luxury stores, and I have experienced some horrible customer service. So I would rather just go online, click, pay for my items and have it shipped to my house than actually have to deal with an actual person who may not service me because of whatever reason. So that is my third reason for purchasing Preloved on the website, because I just do not have time to deal with horrible customer service, especially if I am paying my hard-earned money to purchase my items. So my 3 reasons: discount, finding bags that are no longer in production, and 3, not having to deal with customer service. So let's get into the unboxing. So the Fashionphile, the handbag will definitely come in a box that is undescriptive, so no one knows that it's coming from Fashionphile. Now, it will come with your receipt as usual. Now, when you're shopping on Fashionphile, they have a category that they list the bags or the items. So it can be new. If it's a new bag, it can be in excellent condition. If it still has the tags and stuff on it. It can be in very good condition. It may have some wear and tear on it. It could be in good condition. It could be in fair condition. And so it always comes with definitely your receipt, but it'll also have like the item description, whether it's going to come with the bag, whether it's going to come with the original box. For me, when I shop bags, I always make sure if I don't mind if it doesn't come with the box. I don't mind if it doesn't come with the bag. But the particular bag that I'm looking for, it needs to come with some verification. So what does that mean? So if you watch my previous videos, which I will link somewhere up below, which bag do you think I purchased, as well as what brand? So if you've been here long enough, you already know. So what I mean about item description, my bag, I always look for bags that come with the authenticity card, because I just need that for my level of security. I prefer only to shop bags that have the authenticity card. So this particular bag, you know, they will give it with the Fashionphile dust bag. Sometimes it'll have the Fashionphile file and the extra stuff. So what was I looking for? I was actually looking for a black with gold hardware bag, and from a particular brand. So I'm gonna give you in the description box or in the comments, what brand did you think I bought? So I'm gonna give you a few seconds. Okay, so you already know it's a Chanel bag. So this is my 5th Chanel bag that I purchased from Fashionphile. For some reason at this point in my life, I'm obsessed, not obsessed, but I'm enjoying purchasing pre-loved Chanel handbags for some reason. And so I was looking for a bag with black and gold hardware. Now, I was looking for maybe a classic bag, because that's something that I don't have in my handbag. But I tend to like vintage, and I realized with the vintage classic Chanels, the strap is not long enough to carry it crossbody on my 5/8 frame, so that's problematic for me. The newer classic bags may be able, I've seen a few that actually the strap is longer, so I may want to consider a new one, but I'm not sure at this point. So when I saw this particular bag, my heart started to pitter pat in my chest, because not only do I like the classic Chanel handbags, but I also like the vanity case bags. The only reason I wouldn't purchase the vanity case bag is because it's more of a top handles. The ones that I looked at was more of a top handle, and because I was looking at a vintage one, and also the ones that had the strap handles, for some reason I wasn't interested in. So when I saw this particular bag, now some of you may not get the vision, some of you may not like this bag, but you don't have to wear it. I do. So when I saw this particular bag, I just fell in love. So here is the bag. Wait, do I have it? Let me turn it around. So here is the bag. Oh my God. Look at it. When I saw it, I just knew. I was like, this is it, because one, I haven't seen this style of bag before, and I tend to gravitate to unusual bags. I know everyone has the classics, and I know that is, you know, probably the #1 selling bag for Chanel, but I was just like, I'm not sure if I want that bag. But look at it. Oh my God, it's black with the hardware and the chain to go with it. Now, so let me pull out my description or my receipt so I can give you the Chanel bag. It just cannot have a traditional name like Michelle or Gloria, Chanel Gloria bag. This is the Chanel Iridescent Grain Calfskin Quilted Globetrotter Vanity Case Black Bag. That is the name of this particular bag, right? So it comes with the traditional CC logo. It has the zipper at the front that you can actually put items in. It has the leather trimming. What really attracted, now I haven't taken off the tags as of yet, but really attracted me to this bag is look at the handle with the Chanel hardware. I'm just saying this is of good quality. Now this bag is, I believe, if I remember correctly, this bag is from 2000, I want to say it was from 2015. Now, prior to, you know, purchasing my bags from Fashionphile, and I just want to show the inside, so they have the little plastic protecting seals to keep the shape of the bag. I love that it has its burgundy hardware or burgundy interior. It came with a Chanel bag to secure the bag in. It also came with its authenticity card, because you know how I feel about the authenticity card. Now, typically, I love that on the rim of the bag that it has the Chanel. The strap is wonderful because it is tall girl friendly. So let me show you where it reaches me. So it reaches me at the perfect spot, like right there at my hip. And so I just love it. Now I already, you know, if you know me and you watch my channel, I need bags that are all-purpose bags. Like, I wear my bags for everything, to work, to weddings. So I need for it to be an all-purpose bag. And with this bag, I know that it is a vanity case, but I feel like I can still dress it up. I thought that the chain was retractable like the classic bag, but it's not. So what I'm going to have to do is that when I want to just wear it as a top handle, what I've decided to do is I'm going to hide the handles or the strap with inside the back and just hold it like this. It may seem strange, but this is how, when I need to hold it as a top handle, how it's going to look. Now, whenever I shop Fashionphile, because I like to do my research, what I end up doing is I do a web search for the particular bag. Now, this particular bag, I actually found it on the Real, and it was going for less price. It was going for a lesser price than on Fashionphile. But the difference is that the one on the Real was actually, it had silver hardware. And I felt like the additional $200 that I was gonna pay for it on Fashionphile was worth it. Because for me, my first bag from Chanel has silver hardware. The rest of the bags that I've purchased, the other two, have gold hardware. For me, the gold hardware is just, to me, in my opinion, more vibrant, more pronounced, whereas the silver hardware is, to me, more subdued. So I actually was fine with paying the additional $200 for it to be for the gold hardware. Now, what I will say is that you're probably wondering what the price was. So it already had, when I purchased it, it was already 5% discount. So the original price was $25.45. And it already had a discount of 5%, which was $135. And then Fashionphile, now I didn't buy this on Black Friday. I didn't buy this on Cyber Monday. I was just browsing the website, and they had like a Christmas sale, a Merry sale, where it was similar to Black Friday. Like, if you paid, if you purchased something for more than $1,000, you received a $100 discount, $2,200 discount, $3,300. So I received an additional $200 discount. So in total, the bag came up to $2,500.36, which if you can, like, I'm gonna move it in closer so you can see the quality of the bag. It is actually in pristine condition. It does have a little, wear and tear here, which I'm perfectly fine with, which they did notice, make a note of it on the description. Now, what I will tell you about Fashionphile is that sometimes the pictures do not match the bag. I don't know if they're just using stock pictures, what they found on the website. It does not match the typical bag. So I'm going to insert a picture of the bag. They actually had it on a mannequin, which of my concerns, because I need to see it on a mannequin, because I need to see where it's going to fall as far as a crossbody, because I'm a tall girl and I hate crossbodies that are like right there up under, that fall right up there under your boob. Like, I need it for it to be at my waist or lower. So the crossbody that they had was of silver hardware. So what I would give you as a suggestion, make sure to check the description, because the pictures will not, sometimes the pictures don't coincide with the actual item. So make sure that you are reading the description, because the description will have all of the details. The description described it as a black bag with gold hardware, and then there were additional pictures with it with the gold hardware. It was just one picture that had the silver hardware. But this is how the bag looks. When I tell you I'm so excited with this bag, it gave me butterflies when I saw it. And so with that said, I would also state, for me, when I purchase my bags, now I try to time it. So there are 3 locations that these Fashionphile bags can come from. This bag was in my area, in the tri-state area, so I knew it would only take 2 days to come. So if UPS left it at my front door, I would actually be there. So with this bag, UPS rang my doorbell. I was there to pick it up. Now, I just purchased another bag a week ago, which I am going to do a review on. That was coming from California, so I knew I had a week. Of course, UPS delivered it before to be home, and they left it at my doorstep. Thank goodness, my husband is not that far, that he was able to come on his lunch break and bring it in the house. So I'm going to tell you that, especially because it's the holiday seasons and these delivery people are leaving packages on your doorstep, and I don't care how secure your house is. The new thing is for people to drive around and see what packages are on people's doorsteps and actually steal their package. So just be mindful of that. But yes, I love everything about this bag, the hardware, the CC logo, the hidden compartments. It has pretty much the inside of it. It has for your wallet and everything else. So definitely I'm going to continue to shop at Fashionphile. As I said, I feel like you can still get a deal, and you can get bags that are otherwise no longer in stock or in production there. So yeah, I would definitely recommend Fashionphile. So if you like videos like this, please like, subscribe, and join the tribe. So stay tuned for more unboxing videos, more luxury hauls, but also more affordable hauls as well, because I'm a jack of all trades. All right, so this is Mrs. G from Mrs. G's Living, and we are out. Peace.